wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come and shut up selector boy.
What's good YouTube? Gang, your boy Jambisco back in the music club with another banger, you know, people. You already know what time it is. Yeah man guys, you see what we do today? We are back with a Mr. 90s, Mr. Taliban. You see me? We are talking about, don't know, we are there. No stranger to the channel at all. We are talking about Byron Messia. And probably, is this our first time or is this a second time reaction for IQ? Okay, and this song is entered Miss Title. And I believe this is off his No Love album as well. You see me I say? So we're gonna check it out on Sway Dog do it. I don't know, Byron Messia, very talented man. Did big hits like Taliban's, and he just did the remix the other day with Burna Boy, and then he have tunes like 90s, Smallest Circle. I don't know, Byron Messia definitely doing this thing, man, especially in that freshman year about dancehall, you know what I'm saying? So I'll check him out on Sway Dog deal with today. And I don't know, Byron Messia making it, so we expect the one to be a banger, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man, cause I believe we listened to the audio already. You're doing our live stream, do the live album reaction. Now Dog just drop a video. And that's where a video I deal with. If the video on par, I have the video making the song even better. You see me I say? So we don't hold up the vibes much longer. I jump right in the chat. This is Byron Messia IQ, Miss Title. Let's go.
This is Puns and Entertainment. Scratch mixtape.
They might look like star though, you see me I say? Come in,
Miss Title, no one feel live in your title. Mount a girl stored in my high phone. No see the cocky and yours, all of the pussy and my own. Love it how you suck me cocky while me drive home. Oh, she said that me a dog, but she a bite bone. Girl, I said the fuck out like when the lights too over. You dream this all your life.
Man say Miss Title, you see me? You know much girl on my iPhone, know the cocky. No, the cocky here when you know that the pussy out of my own. Yeah, that's crazy. Let's get it.
Your pum pum wet up tonight. You have the remedy for me, honey. Y'all well a tsunami, cause your pussy so tight. You dream this all your life. Your pum pum wet up tonight. You have the remedy for me, honey. Y'all well a tsunami, cause your pussy so tight. Girl, I'm if you
have on my girl, eh? So
fuck you out, make you can't walk. Cocky in your mouth, make you can't talk. Your pussy tight, nothing can pass. She no fear every bunch, she man like dry grass. And she a top girl, high class, but she still a suck dick.
Everybody she no bone man like dry grass. Easy no?
When the car park, left comp and she feels, so she wipe her. Miss Title, I couldn't be tighter. Miss Title, no one feel live in your title. Mount a girl stored in my high phone. No see the cocky and yours, all of the pussy and my own. Love it how you suck me cocky while me drive home. Oh, she said that me a dog, but she a bite bone.
Oh, she said me a dog, but she a bite bone though. You see that?
Tell her say the fuck out like when the lights too over. You dream this all your life. Your pum pum wet up tonight. You have the remedy for me, honey. Y'all well a tsunami, cause your pussy so tight. You dream this all your life. Your pum pum wet up tonight. You have the remedy for me, honey. Y'all well a tsunami,
easy no man.
Cause your pussy so tight. Body girl, me just wanna freak. Yeah, me want she tight all up in on me sheets. Yeah, me want a white girl for cup on her knees. And force it down and me she talk Chinese. But fuck you good and your boss say you can't.
I mean, she talk Chinese man, you see me, and Japanese and Spanish and all that. All that.
You don't manage, I will leave a damage. Miss Title, no one feel live in your title. Mount a girl stored in my high phone. No see the cocky and yours, all of the pussy and my own. Love it how you suck me cocky while me drive home. Oh, she said that me a
I love when you do the thing while I'm driving. Love when you do the things they want to do.
dog, but she a bite bone. Girl, I said the fuck out like when the lights too over. You dream this all your life.
I don't know vibes, you know if you really do them thing there, you know. I'm bored no man, I don't do them thing there.
Your pum pum wet up tonight. You have the remedy for me, honey. Y'all well a tsunami, cause your pussy so tight. You dream this all your life. Your pum pum wet up tonight. You have the remedy for me, honey. Y'all well a tsunami, cause your pussy so tight.
Yeah man. Love girl, let me do anything them man. Know when for know when for do things them man. I know when. You know? Yeah man. Can't take you boring woman them man. Some girl was boring. I don't know when to do things man. You see me a bad time and them thing there. You see me? I know when to do them man. You see me about shout out Miss Title and the girl them know when to do them thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, bad tune know the girl them I love them one day. You see me? I don't know when y'all play them thing there, you know, Miss Title, you know. You see me? Down with the faking. You see me? I recommend it's a self-praise, no recommendation. You know what I'm saying? So, but I with it. See now blasting tune enough I don't know so Grand Canyon, you know. Well, I start the vibes. But anyway, guys, we know the one day. You see me there was Byron Messia and IQ. Mr. I told you see me bad tune, know the girls my love the one day. You see me, and that one you can get added to the girls playlist there, you know. The playlist we have for the girls them when they come over and thing. Yeah man, that can get added to it too man. You see me I say that them do them thing. Shout out to Byron Messia and IQ. You know what I'm saying? Guys, feel like it definitely go show the artists some love and support. You don't know. Yeah man guys. I don't know, you know, that Mafia gang we over here grow, you know, you see me? On the road to 10k as always. Guys, hit up the like button. You see me, help your boy, help the channel grow, man. You know, see me, tap the like button. That was one of the most important parts when watching the video. Is making sure you hit that like button. You help push my videos out there. And then my channel grow. You see me? Yeah man, so you don't know guys. Feel like you're checking, let me know what you think in the comment section. You don't know more videos and more reactions coming, so stay tuned to the latest reaction channel on YouTube. You see me and say? Yeah man. I say a word till next time guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.